Okay, I'm back, you guys. Let's finish up this section. Went and got my nails. Hey, happy Vlogmas. Day 14. For those of you who are on the live with me this morning, you know I went ahead and got started on the puzzle today because I finished 13 and went ahead and started on 14. So here's how that went. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Let's finish up this. Went and got my nails done. Getting ready for this evening. Okay, let's finish up this section. And this is day 14 we're working on. Oh, that's people. Oh, that green is not right. Okay. We'll come back. Maybe just that is not right. Trying to see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that leaves this. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. That's day 14. Just finished. So we have, and then one more row of puzzles. Everybody's been asking how big is this thing? There'll be one more row of puzzle for next week. I like the giant ball ornament. So This is a huge pork chop.
This is the ribeye. That's the pork. So this is ribeye.
That is a lot of desserts. I don't even know if you can see the orange cake over there with the ice cream. That's a lot. That's a carrot cake. Creme brulee.